Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the image in your phone's gallery and making it accessible. Once found, use Share or the menu to copy or save a version you can open. Open Google Photos or your file browser next, because you will need the image file or a clear preview. Make sure the image is not blurred. If it is, take a quick screenshot to create a higher contrast copy. This puts you in the right place to run a reverse image search immediately. Now you perform the reverse search. Open Google Images on desktop or the Google app with Lens on mobile. Lens works faster on phones. Upload the file, paste a copied image URL, or drag the screenshot into the search box. Google analyzes shapes, colors, and text. Once results load, scan visually similar images and source pages. Use the search bar to add keywords or filter by time to narrow results. If you need finish by verifying where the image appears and confirming the original source. You should open a few result pages, check domain credibility, and look for date information or image metadata when available. Once done, save the verified link or screenshot for your records and cite the source if you plan to reuse the image. If Google returns poor matches, make sure to crop tightly around the subject, upload a higher resolution copy, or add descriptive keywords. This single troubleshooting step often fixes weak results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.